Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial where I'm gonna show you how you can use Epidemic sound on YouTube and how you can remove the copyright, okay? It is the worst feeling in the world. If you spend like 40 hours editing a YouTube video, you finally hit publish and within 5 minutes, YouTube is gonna send you an email with a copyright claim. Your monetization is gonna be turned off and all of the ad revenue is now going to some random record label, okay? So if you use random music from the internet, this is gonna happen to you because the YouTube's content ID system is a rootless robot that is gonna scan every second of your audio. But here it's called Epidemic sound. So unlike other music libraries that are just gonna borrow music, Epidemic Sound actually buys and owns 100% of the rights to their entire catalog. And because they own it, they have like a direct pipeline into YouTube's backend to tell the robot, hey, this creator is paying us, so leave them alone. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this exactly. Now guys, the biggest mistake beginners make is downloading a song from Epidemic Sound, for example, just putting in their video and uploading it to YouTube before telling Epidemic Sound who they are. Okay? So before you download a single track, you must do what is called the safe listing. So what are you gonna do guys? You're just gonna come to your account in here basically. You're just gonna click on account. And you're just gonna go to save list in here. As you can see, it says save listing. Okay, save list your channels. This is basically the magic plan, especially if you are like on a pro plan or a business plan. If you're not on this business plan, you're gonna get to save list exactly one YouTube channel, one TikTok, one Instagram, one Facebook, and so on, so on, so on. Okay, so the only thing you need to do really is you need to click in here and you need to add your channel. So for example, let's say your channel is, I don't know, whatever. So you can just put it in here. Okay, so just literally look for the name of your channel. Okay, and just click on it. And that's basically gonna be it. Now when you hit on save in here, when you click on save or add, Epidemic Sound is gonna send a detailed handshake to YouTube's content ID system. And from this second forward, any video that you upload to this specific YouTube channel containing Epidemic music is automatically going to be clear. So you don't have to put links in your description, you don't have to create the artist, the backend is going to handle invisibly. Similarly, if you create videos for other people, you can do the same and you can, basically save list their videos, okay? So you can just click on save list a video. You can add the link in here and that's gonna make sure that that video, is actually protected and they don't get like a copyright claim. And you can even like generate like invite link that is gonna let your client or collaborator save list a video that you produce and you want a green light basically. Okay, so now that your channel is protected, finding music is pretty simple. You just have to go to the music thing. You're gonna have to go to your genre, find a track and hit the download arrow. For example, let's say that I want to do some jazz. So I can just click in here. I'm gonna go with this one here and I can just download it by clicking on download, right? But I actually want to show you a hidden feature that acts as your legal insurance policy, okay? So once you have downloaded these, okay? And by the way, anytime you download something, if you don't have your YouTube channel safe listed, it's gonna ask you if you want to add it. But this is not the case now. In any case, I want to show you like a hidden feature that acts as your legal insurance policy. So let's just go back to our download history by clicking in here. As you can see, every single time you download a track or sound effect, Epidemic locks it into this page with a timestamp. Okay, as you can see, this was downloaded April 23, 2026. Okay, and why does this matter? Because let's say that 3 years from now, you get like a weird copyright strike from a troll company claiming they own this song. What you can do is you can come to this exact page, you can take a screenshot of your download history, and you can prove to them that you're licensed the track legally on this specific date. So this is your permanent digital receipt, okay? So just keep this in mind, guys. Oh, by the way, guys, the feature that I mentioned about, safe listing videos for clients and collaborators, this is going to be very useful if you're like a freelance video editor, a wedding photographer, or you run like a marketing agency. Okay, however, I forgot to mention that you cannot use this on the personal plan. You must upgrade to the business plan. Okay, this is called video clearance basically. All right, this is going to be very, very useful in that case. And because technology is not perfect, sometimes you forget to save list your channel or YouTube's content ID system just glitches and you get like an accidental claim for an epidemic sound. So do not panic because I'm going to show you a couple of ways to fix this in 24 hours. First of all, guys, the fastest way is just go to Epidemic Sound and just, clear it using the video clearance in here. So you can just click on Save List Video and literally paste this link for your YouTube video, okay? And that's gonna, solve it 99% of the time. And the second method is going to be the YouTube Studio way, okay? So you can just get to your YouTube Studio, you can go to your video with your copyright claim, and you can just click on See the Details, okay? On the three dots menu. And just click on Dispute, check the box, select License, and in the Rationale box, you simply type, I have an active commercial license with Epidemic Sound, and just submit that, okay? And what's going to happen is that the Epidemic Sound is going to check it, and when you see that you're a paying member, they're gonna unlock it for you, okay? So no problem, guys. Oh, and before I finish this video, I want to mention a common question. What happens if I cancel my Epidemic Sound subscription? Are your all videos gonna get strike? And the answer is no, because Epidemic Sound operates on a lifetime clearance rule. So any video that you upload and publish while your subscription is active is gonna be clear forever and ever. So you don't have to worry about that, okay? Alright guys, so that's pretty much the tutorial and thank you so much. Hope you like it.